who is the CMOH of Midnapur Medical College, Professor Maiti, Dr. M. Mandal, Dr. K.K. Malik, who is from Calcutta, who treated Kanishko when he was at the age of 2 years, from the very beginning, when I went to explain him that about our Kanishko, he was totally spellbound, that he can't imagine that I came back to India without Kanishko. I am also grateful to him that he took the pleasure and all the hazards to come over here. I would also thankful to Dr. Pamidi, the first time I met with him yesterday. We have that connection from Mayo Clinic when our son was having treatment with Mayo Clinic in Czech Republic at the Institute of Clinical and Experimental Medicine. Dr. Pamidi is so kind that he took initiative and he promised that he would like to come here, even though he was working very sincerely, lot of problems. He promised to fulfill our son Kanishko's unfulfilled wishes. I am grateful to Dr. Pamidi. I would also thank to Srimati Minoti Odhikari, who is doing the betterment of the child welfare in Government of West Bengal. And also I would like to thank my parents, which is a very small word. I cannot give thanks to my parents who gave me all the support, all the strength to stand in front of you. I learned many things from my son, how to respect the parents. Because of our son, we get the respect in Czech Republic at the Thomas Bata University in Zlín. Other than this, from Mayo Clinic, they sent the condolence letter to my parents. They told, you are the branch, but your root is your parents. So we should grateful to your parents for the life Kanishko given to us to do this research work. Because of Kanishko, they came to know that what is other parts of the world people are facing this devastating problem. So they would like to thank Kanishko. His wishes wanted to be a doctor, but God given that opportunity in different way. So the purpose of doing this Kanishko Binayak Memorial Foundation is to keep his lifeline on through this foundation, as well as also I would like to thankful to my grandparents who are always there beside Kanishko, Mrs. Shanoka Shunduri and Kebol Krishna Shaha, my parents' beloved parents. I hope you have already seen that the displayed in the Kanishko, all the strength and support I get from Kanishko is that this is the topic, the journey with my son. Maybe you have thinking that why I have chosen this one. Actually, this topic has been given by, I was invited in Germany, Bonn, the 10th World International Conference on Primary Hyperoxaluria. They wanted me to speak about Kanishko because doctors were very surprised that how a small boy can be so active even though he has so devastating problem. So that's the title they have given to speak there, and from there I got the inspiration to do this foundation. I met with the Dr. Christopher Danforth from UK, who is the first identified this primary hyperoxaluria, and also Dr. Stewart from Switzerland. It's my great fortune that I met with Dr. Millionaire from USA Mayo Clinic, Dr. Julie Olson, and we have connection through telephone and email. But we get that opportunity to meet there, and they inspired me that your son is the torchlight of India, you should do it. That time I was thinking that my son wanted to be a doctor and he always wanted to get the respect. His hobbies and his activities, how we have, I will show you through this PowerPoint presentation. I would like to apologize that I am speaking in English because I have to give the privilege to Dr. Pamili. He don't understand our mother language. I hope you will give me that confidence and support and you will agree with that. This is the journey of our son Kanishko, who born in Shishumongol on Mahalaya in 2001, and he took his final rest in Prague, Czech Republic. The arrival of Kanishko, it's like a precious gift to us, and he was a cheerful boy who gifted God and lovely and understandable. When Kanishko born, after that I went to Netherlands to do my MBA, and he was staying with his father and family members who accompanied by him. Actually, my father gave this name. The word Kanishko comes from a Sanskrit word originated from the Indian king, as mentioned, my uncle, as precious as gold. On the other hand, Vinayak, you know, is the Lord Ganesh, that what he had preserved, that he has the lot of patience. And according to my son and our family, especially our parents' guidelines, I took these own resembles that Shaha resembles as simple and holy approach that I have seen from my son, and also till now I am observing through my father, my uncle, my brothers and sisters, that whatever you have to do, be calm and quiet, and we have to be very transparent and trust and love people. This is the brief information about Kanishko, my university, Thomas Bata University, and this is our home. This is Kanishko's interest. He was fond of different languages. He had a great skill in Czech language, though he was not a Czech boy, but he got the citizenship of Czech Republic because of his extraordinary skill in Czech language. Czech government resoluted a new insurance to treat his primary hyperoxaluria, and now Dr. Dolezel from Czech Republic, who is working in the Mendelen Hospital, they have identified 3 more children who are also a patient of primary hyperoxaluria, but unfortunately their body is not eligible for combined transplantation. It's also very sad for me. When I will go back, I will meet with them and convey our meeting to Dr. Olezel. He also sent greetings to all of you as parents and friend, philosopher and guide of Midnapur. Kanishko was very good in map pointing. His skills was in encyclopedia. His food habits were also with some fast food. He liked the Czech food called kledlik. As he has a very difficult problem, but he was drinking a lot of water. He didn't have the kidney stone. Dr. Milina told that he was so active, which is also dangerous for health. So inside the body there was a big fight with oxalate and his activeness. Now from 2001 to 2006, Kanishko was in India, and this is his first rice eating ceremony with my mother. This is our livelihood in India. This is with his sisters. Kanishko celebrating his 3rd birthday. This is the first 1 week before we are going to Czech Republic at the age of 5 years. Now in 2006, we went to Czech Republic in order to pursue my PhD degree, and Kanishko and his father accompanied me. My sister, Dr. Navanita Shaha, who is also a joint secretary of this foundation, she is now working at Thomas Bata University. Unfortunately, she didn't able to came because she got an opportunity to do a special laboratory work in Lawrence University, Berkeley. While studying about this Kanishko's problem, she identified that if we can do some biopolymer with hydrogel nanoparticles. To know that skill, she went to Berkeley. Today morning, she conveyed me because she is the only one aunt of Kanishko. And because of her, we were there together. Kanishko here with his elder sister Anushwa and classmates and aunt. We were having in Prague as a tourist. Kanishko visited different parts of the world in Paris, in Vienna, in Slovak Republic. This is his Kanishko school in kindergarten, where all the children, they send greetings when you will come to our house for the register office. I displayed. They draw a nice card for him as he liked card. So that respect is I don't know whether my parents get that respect from my work or not, but because of Kanishko, and we all family members, I believe we are getting, and we like to stay there if God wishes. This is his first day in school in Zurich. Now our difficult journey started from 2009. This is the first day in hospital. Yesterday I explained Dr. Pamidi that how we took admission in the hospital. There are several children waiting for admission, but they were not willing to take Kanishko because he was active, he was very strong playing. They asked me, why you want to enter into the hospital? I told, it's not my wish. Doctor recommended. Physically, Kanishko was very fit, but the internal report expressed different. This is Kanishko when the diagnosis started. This is first time. This picture was taken by Dr. Bhandra from Motol Hospital. They were experimenting whether it can be done both central venous and artery together. This is the artery venous and central vein. So Kanishko was smiling. For him, that everything we have to take it a part of life. That I learned from him. At the age of 8 years, he was smiling. As a mother, I was very surprised that how he could smile with that difficult pain. I have saw that there are even the adult people, they are shouting for this rigorous dialysis, but our Kanishko was always smiling. He was fond of cars, so after finishing dialysis, he would like to take picture with his car. This is his doctors at Motol. We celebrated there because 6 months we were in there, so we celebrated his 8th birthday with doctors. Another hospital we were transferred, they thought that Kanishko will go to school, so nearby where we were living, they sent to their hospital called Ostrava. So he was accompanied with the teacher, he was studying, and the dialysis sister. After dialysis, he was playing with father as if as normal child after coming back from school, doing every activities. He was celebrating his Christmas in 2009 in his room at our accommodation. He was so sincere with his studies that I don't need to say that Kanishko studied. He was always saying, I have less time, I have to finish all my activities. So you can see that he was doing his studies. This one is a special, like Czech food he liked when once in a month we were coming home to give him some little mental satisfaction. He decorated these things, his house. because in Czech Republic, Christmas is a very big celebration. This logo, we have seen that this was done by Kanishko. He has a habit, whatever he will do, he will put a signature. I asked him, why you do this? He told, when people will ask, who did this? You don't need to say, you will say Kanishko. So now I remember how he know that how to present himself or herself. This is one activity is that how he was studying with his teacher at home when we were coming. You can't say that he is a ill boy. You can see that he is a quite healthy and strong boy. Now you see he is playing one Czech rhymes. He has a habit of making own story. He is fond of cars. Hello, I just came to know that from a long way, Calcutta, Dr. Prashanta Mukherjee came. So I would like to come to the dais, sir, if you kindly come. This is our Konishko after 8 days of transplantation. It's very difficult to think that after 8 days, this small boy started to walking. Even the doctors, they were very surprised that I face so many questions that is it the Indian childs are so strong? I was very embarrassed with these questions and I was asking myself, is it a positive or negative? Because Konishko was a very sensitive boy. He always wanted to live like a manly life. In Czech Republic, always they call he is a small man. This is the acknowledgement. I am thankful to all these pictures from taken by these people. So you would also like to let you know that with whom we are associated at the Czech Republic is Kanishko School and friends and relatives for providing Kanishko's photo by them, as well as thankful to Dr. Vondrap, Dialysis Unit, University Hospital Motol, Kanishko's teacher and Ostrava Hospital for the photos taken by them. I would like to thank you for your attention, and also Kanishko is thanking you to come over here to hear about his life, how he crossed the journey in order to respect of God. Now I would also like to show you the Mayo Clinic. They have sent a very nice presentation. They didn't able to came, but they sent their greetings through this presentation, who is always with us, even though we are very far, but every time she wrote me and sent greetings that Kanishko wanted to be a super son, and his wish was also that his mama will be super mama. I don't know whether I will able to keep his words or not, but I will try my best to keep Kanishko a super son. This is Mayo Clinic, Hyperoxaluria Center in Rochester, Minnesota, USA. This is PowerPoint presentation, but Dr. Kamidi will speak you more because he has worked over there, and Mayo Clinic requested Dr. Kamidi to come over here. So it's my great honor that we have got Dr. Kamidi, who have worked with Mayo Clinic. This is the Mayo Clinic Center. They wrote that who came to Mayo Clinic, with whom they are associated, and from when they came to know about this Kanishko Vinayak Shaha, and with whom we are connected, Dr. Melina, that Dr. Kamidi you can see, and how he was working there with Mayo Clinic. Mayo Clinic is how they are resourceful to the patients, families, physicians, and laboratories. This is a very nice graph or map that how Mayo Clinic came to know Czech Republic, Kanishko, that we were in India and then we went to Czech Republic where they found Kanishko as a patient, and from very far Mayo Clinic was doing this diagnosis and treatment. This is the photograph we had the opportunity to take at the International Workshop Bonn. This is Dr. Melania Dawn, who is the director of this Mayo Clinic. He's a very nice, humble lady. She promised that she would like to come and work here. That's the purpose of this foundation. He promised that please do Nivedita something that I can come and keep Kanishko's wishes fulfilled. This is Dr. Julie Olson, myself, and Kanishko's father. And here is our Kanishko, with whom they didn't able to meet physically, but through this photograph, they could able to meet with us. This is the oxalosis of Hyperoxaluria Foundation, how they work as the stepping stone to a cure. The more Dr. Pamidi will explain you. And Mayo Clinic sent this message that congratulate to our Memorial Foundation for this inauguration, and they promise to be with us in all clinical point of view medical support. This is their link and all. And now I would like to give the message of Dr. K.S. Nayak, who really inspired me and who really wanted to be with us, but he called me day before yesterday that he did a kidney transplantation, a small boy like my son, and I know that what's the situation. Mother is the donor and boy is the receiver. So mother is in very difficult condition. So if all of us will pray, I would like to thankful to you all so that Dr. Naik can save the boy and mother. So, but he is so kind that he sent message of us through his voice. I would like to thank you, all of you, that you have that patience to listen about our son and about myself. My uncle explained. আমি এবার একটু বাংলায় বলি। আপনারা সবাই এসেছেন আমার কথা শোনার জন্য। আপনারা সবাই আমার থেকে অনেক বড়। আমাকে আশীর্বাদ করুন যেন আমি যে কাজটা আমার বাবা মার সাথে আমার কাকুর সাথে শুরু করতে চলেছি সেটা যেন সাকসেসফুল করতে পারি। আমি তো প্রথম এই ব্যাপারে আমার কোনো অভিজ্ঞতাই নেই। আমার লাইফস্টাইলটাই সম্পূর্ণ বদলে দিয়েছে কনিষ্ক। সুতরাং অনেক ভুল এর মধ্যে রয়েছে। সুতরাং বড় হিসেবে আমাকে গাইড করলে আমি ভীষণ মনে করব আই অ্যাম দ্য গ্রেট পারসন দ্যাট অল অফ ইউর ব্লেসিংস আর উইথ মি। Okay, thank you for your kind attention and